Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can install a remote PC in your laptop so that we can access your laptop. First of all, you need to go to a web browser. As you can see here, I'm using Safari. Please click on it once, and then once it opens, you have to go to this website. We will send you the address. Once you are here, you have to click on download host under Mac, and then you have to click allow, and it will start downloading. Once it's downloaded, you have to click here, download, and then double click on it and it will open. You can go ahead and close this browser, and once it's opened, you have to double click on it too, and then you have to click open. And then this kind of interface will open. You have to click this one right behind it. You can minimize this and click on screen recording, and then open system preferences. Once it is opened, you have to click this lock icon and then input your password. You have to use the password which you use when you turn your Mac on. Then click on unlock. Then check this small box behind attended, and then you can go to this accessibility right here. First you can maximize this, or you can scroll it from here and then click accessibility and check this box too. Once you have done it, you can close this window and right down here click on it again and share this code with us, and we will be able to connect with you.